Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to show different banner images on mobile desktop less than 3 minutes? That's very easy. First thing you're going to do is click on online store. Then the next thing is make sure to duplicate your team. Click on the three dots and duplicate the team just in case something happened, you can easily get back to the previous version. Then click on edit team. It will open up the team editor. So for example, this banner right here, I want it to show only on desktop. So I'm going to select an image that screams desktop. This one right here. So just for clarity, this one, I want to show it on desktop. I'm going to add another one below it. So the next one is, I want it to show only on mobile. Let me make it smaller to make it easier for you to see. Then I'm going to select an image that screams mobile, as you can see. So this one to show only on desktop and this one to show only on mobile. The next thing you're going to do is scroll down the description box and you will see a link, my website. Click on it and it will take you to this website right here, where you can see two types of codes for each team. So I have for Horizon team, as you can see, and if you're still using down team, here is the code for it as well. So the first one is hide on desktop, show on mobile only. That's very clear, right? Simply copy it using this code. I'm going to add it to the one I'm going to hide on desktop, which is this one that screams mobile. So simply click on that banner right here. Then on the right, on the menu, on the customization, scroll all the way down and you will see this option right here that says custom CSS. Click on it, then paste in the code in here. Then it's gone, disappeared. Why? Because we are on desktop. If I switch the view to the mobile in here, it's back, as you can see, but this one's still showing. So I need to hide this on the mobile. That's very easy. Get back to my website and copy the second code, which is hide on mobile. So I'm gonna copy this code and get back and click on the desktop, that one that I wanna hide on mobile, and paste in the code in the same location, custom CSS. And click on save. Now it's gone. So on mobile, it shows only the banner on mobile, and I switch for desktop, it shows only on desktop. And ta-da, that was very easy. Less than 3 minutes, I think. Anyway, that's how you show different banner images on desktop and mobile in less than 3 minutes. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them below. And if you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.